Hey, seventh grade. So you have been working on this slideshow, adding the functions of each system, and you should have 3 to 5 different functions or 3 to 5 jobs that that system does. So if you haven't finished all your slides, then you should probably pause this video, finish your slides, and then you can continue on with me. So here's what I'm looking for. You have your functions and you cited your website on the last side, your works cited section. So number 1 matches. Every slide should have some functions and your citation. Just functions and your citation. All my functions are bullet points. I made sure to use quotation marks. You cite it, you've used bullet points, you talk about some of the jobs of that system. That's what I'm looking for. So if you don't have that on every single one of your slides, then you need to finish that first. Okay, so for those people who have done that and you've turned in a copy of your presentation so that I can see your functions, awesome. What we're going to be doing for the rest of the week is adding pictures of each system. So starting with my skeletal system, I need to add a picture of the skeletal system. So I'm going to come to my search engine. I'm going to type in skeletal system diagram, and I'm going to click on images. And I'd like a skeletal system that also shows the parts. I think that's important. I like this one. It looks like the words are easy to read. And so I'm going to right click on this picture. I'm going to copy the image and I'm going to put it in my body system slide by doing Control V. See how there's a blue outline around my picture? That means that I can move it over. And I'm going to make this just a little bit smaller. So to make it smaller, I need to go from the corner and move in. And then I can move it so it fits on my slide better. Now, the last thing that you need to do is you need to cite where you got your picture from. So I'm going to add a text box, this little T in the top over here. And at the bottom, I'm going to make my text box. This is what I'm looking for. And so I'm going to go back to my picture. I'm going to go to View Page. And once it loads, I'm going to do Control C. I'm going to go back to my presentation, and I'm going to write, this is really important, I'm going to write retrieved. From, and then there's the website. So if you're citing a picture, you need to make sure that your website is on your slide. And if you're citing information like this, like facts, you need to make sure that your website is on the works cited section, okay? And so that's what you're going to continue to do for each slide. Let's try one more. Let's see if we have enough time. So we'll come over here. We'll search in images. This time we want to do the muscular system. Okay, this looks really good. I like this one with the labels on it, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to go to my body systems, and I'm going to do Control V. I'm going to place it where I want on my slide, and I'm going to make it smaller. And then I'm going to add a text box at the bottom, and that's where I'm going to be citing my evidence. So if I come over here, View Page, Control C, come over here, and Control V. And that's what you're going to do.